In this video, we're going to discuss Python lists. A list is a data type that holds multiple items in computer memory. The name of the list is a variable which provides access to any item in the list. I am using a new sample program called pythonlist.py for our code demonstration in this video. Why would you need a list? List, as I already said, is a collection of items, a data type that aggregates multiple values. For example, the user enters some text, we get the input and store it as a string. Later, if we would like to split the input into individual words, since we don't know how many words are present in a string, the best choice is to use a list of strings to accommodate individual words. The split method of Python string object creates and returns a list of strings using function parameter that provides a delimiter indicating which substrings to search for when creating a list. If you call split method without a parameter, a single space character is used as a delimiter by default. If I run this program and enter 1, 2, 3, it prints words 1, 2, and 3 as items in a list of strings. The print function prints square brackets, and because the items in the list are strings, each item is wrapped in single quotes. In programming, we call these things decorations, which are helping to visualize and understand the content of memory while debugging our programs. In Python, code can use either single or double quotes to specify Python strings. This is allowed on purpose because it helps simplifying the coding of strings when the quotes themselves are present in the string. For example, here I changed my user prompt string to be inside single quotes, and after this I can have the double quotes inside Python string like a normal character. So this is a practical program. It splits user input into separate words and creates the list of strings.